It's finally time to declutter my Starbucks tumblers. This is about half of my collection. Keep. Goodbye. Keep. Any of the 16 ounces, bye-bye. I don't even really like red. Bye. Ah! Bye. 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 Keep. Abso-freaking-lutely keep. I know this sounds crazy, but I'm selling this one. This one, a brand gave me from Hawaii, and I feel really bad if I sell it, but bye-bye. I don't know why, but I've never liked this one. Bye. Keep. We love Iridescent. We love her. We also love Mickey during Christmas time. Keep. 1000% on my mama. Keep. 100% on my mama. Also keep. And so far these are the sells and these are the keeps. It's pretty half and half, so I need to do better on the second bag. This one, sell. This one, keep. This one is essentially the same thing as this one, so I'm going to keep this one. Bye-bye. Gianna, what are you doing? Ooh, girl. This one I'm going to keep for you because I have a feeling your favorite color is going to be purple. This isn't Starbucks, but sell. Oh my God, this is like a Stanley before Stanleys were a thing. Keep. This one's old school. Keep. This one I got from Target and I'm obsessed. Keep. This fat stack of color changing cups. What? I'm gonna keep these and use them for my Etsy shop. Keep, and sell. Okay, no more fucking around. Sell. Keep this one because I made my sister buy this for you when she was in Vegas because she won $2,000. And I was like, bitch, the least you could do is buy me a Starbucks tumbler because you know I collect them. So I gotta keep that one. Shockingly, do we keep or sell this one? I hate this color. This color triggers me. Sell. Keep. Yeah, for sure keep. This one is like my first Starbucks tumbler ever. I will never get rid of her. Keep, sell. Keep the orange. I've really been into orange lately, so definitely keep that one. Keep. And then don't judge me, but I'm keeping the rest of the 4.